Welcome guys. Today video is all about how to install Arduino ideally in your PC. And also ESP32 driver as well. How we can add ESP32 library in our Arduino ideally. So let's get started. Over there I just here it is link. You can go to back. So this is the link which you will get in description. So just click over there like this and just download over there. See the file is so here I will cancel it because I just download recently. Yeah, here it is my file. You just make extract here. So here it is the extract folder. Go over there, click open. Now you will see the Arduino application file. Just double click over there. You will see the interface like that. Just open this, go to preference. Okay, I will add here you have to add what here you have to add, just me tell you, here you have to add this files. You just need to copy and just paste over there like that, Control V, then press OK, then press OK, then go to tool. Here you see we do not have ESP32 file, so go to Arduino, then board manager and type over there. Yep, it will take time. ESP32, just click over there. Here it is installed. Now I will install ESP8266. So just click install button to install. You have to install generic and yeah, these are the details. It will take might be 1 to 2 minutes, so depending on the internet speed connection. So my speed is about 100 Mbps, so it will be too fast. Yep. The programming will be same as Arduino Uno, Arduino Wi-Fi, or the variants which is used by university students. So programming will be same. Like there are some changes in ESP32 which will be talk about later in my next videos. So stay tuned. Yep. So close over there. Just go to tool. See, you are seeing Arduino AVR dev boards. It is the library of ESP32 Arduino. Here I will select DevKit V1 because I have this kind of, here it is, do it ESP32 DevKit V1. Okay, just click over there, or you can see as well ESP266 board. Although it is old, but people are using, so you can use this as well. Okay, so here you can program. Dev setup means you can execute this program one times. Here like this, put your code here to run once. The code which you want to run one time will become over here, and the code which you want to repeatedly execute, so that code will become over here. So the video is all about this. So in the next part I will talk about how we can compile code in Node MC32. Node MC32. So good luck, stay tuned for the next video, and all the links, preference link and the Arduino link will be in the description. So go into description, just click and download and share this video with your friend as well. Thank you.